Hi, I'm Srinivasa KM, product leader at Deltasia with 24+ years in industrial IoT. Today, we're tackling a critical challenge for COOs: unplanned downtime. Unplanned downtime costs factories $1 million per hour and drives 90% of operational disruptions. With 70% of manufacturers prioritizing this issue, it's eroding your margins and customer trust. But there's a solution. IIoT-powered predictive maintenance can cut downtime by 20–50%, saving $500K or more annually. At Deltasia, I boosted uptime by 25% using telemetry, while Gemu reduced downtime by 20% with IIoT sensors. Here's how. Deploy IoT sensors to monitor equipment, connect legacy systems with middleware, apply AI analytics for early detection, train your team for reliable data, and track ROI with a 20% MTTR reduction. Overcome barriers like legacy integration with phased pilots. Ready to stop downtime and save big? Request our free downtime assessment to identify your savings. Comment your challenges on LinkedIn or connect with me. Visit, link or follow #IIoT and #SmartManufacturing for more. Let's optimize your operations together.